Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, we're doing up some lemon ribs. Oh, hell yes. On the Weber 26, using Royal Oak. The all-natural briquettes with some cherry chunks of wood in there. And we are cooking hot and fast. Oh, hell yeah. So with these pork ribs, you want to take the membrane off. You want to hit it with some SPG. And I'm also using a trick. This is something brand new I have not yet tried, and I'm hoping it kills, and I think it's going to. Cosmos Texas beef on pork ribs. These are baby backs. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. Once you get these ribs ready to go and you get them rubbed up and let them rest for a little bit, pop on some lemon slices. And then on that lemon, hit it with some kosher salt. Let that sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then pull that lemon off. Use a few slices into I got like a little heating cast iron deal. Set that aside. And put some of those lemon slices in there. You're going to add in some butter, whatever you like, and some honey. And you're going to baste these ribs with that mixture. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
We are 2 hours and 45 minutes in. Let's take a look at these ribs, baste them if we need. I've been hitting them about every 15 minutes. Check this out. Go.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Holy. Holy. God damn. 3 hours. Let them rest for another 45 minutes. tented. Oh hell yeah. And the smell is amazing. The taste so far is great.
Give me a hell yeah!
Man, clean off the bone. Oh hell yeah. Let's do one more. I mean, goddamn. Fall off the bone. Tell you what, that citrus comes through. Slight, just not overpowering. Wow. Those rocked. Oh hell yeah. I just wish I could have cooked it a little slower, so they wouldn't have been broke down so much. But man, 3 hours, tented them for 45 minutes. Hot right now, delicious. Oh hell yes. Those were thick, meaty baby backs. Oh hell yeah. I gotta have one more. Some badass ribs for sure. Oh hell yeah. Cheers to lemon ribs. I'm surprised how sweet and succulent those were. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!